It is finally that time of the year. We are going to put Christmas lights on the Rally Rolla. We just put a new exhaust on the car and it sounds amazing. Let's head to the store and get everything we need. They didn't have red at the store, but I got purple, which I hope is close enough. But if I don't like how this looks, I got green because red and green should be close enough to Christmas. Before we start installing the lights on the car, Andrew just showed up with his new Supra. I want to show you guys. This thing is so cool.
Oh, it's a 3.0 Premium 2021, but the ECU is unlocked. It's awesome. So much is gonna happen. Already put the lights on. I'm excited.
First mod. No, I am so proud of Andrew because we have been talking about Supras for the longest.
Legitimately freaking, what, 4 months?
Probably 4 months, almost every single day, talking about, oh man, we really want Supras. I don't know, like it's probably not a good idea if we get Supras, right? Would you say it's been a good idea so far?
Yeah, unless TikTok gets banned, otherwise it's good.
As long as TikTok doesn't get banned, we'll be good. I will get a Supra one day. That's happening. I told Andrew I told him
I'm holding him accountable.
Yep, I told Andrew if he buys one, I will buy one because I think having the 8.6, the GR Corolla, and then the GR Supra.
Just look, they look great beside each other.
Oh yeah, no, they're beautiful. I think having the GR Trio has always been my dream, and I think it'd be really cool to have it. Andrew, so rate it 1 through 10.
I'm gonna give it a 9. The tunability is amazing. Its stock horsepower is great, but I can build it up to 900. It's sleek, it's cool looking. You can do so much, like, just mod wise. And honestly, for a daily driver, it's pretty comfortable considering, you know, it can coast at 130 miles an hour. It's great.
That's German engineering for you, not Japanese. Japanese cars, my GR Corolla at above the speed limit. Let's say on the racetrack, it's a little unstable at high speed. In Mexico, yeah. It's a little bit unstable at high speed compared to something like a Supra, which is more so German engineering. Regardless, I guess it's still a Toyota. It's still a Japanese car, right? But
close enough.
It's a Z4.
It still has the badge.
Yeah, it has the Toyota badge. So ultimately, it is going to be a Toyota. We've got the Corolla in the garage. It's ready to go. Earlier today, I washed the car. It was covered in mud, covered in dirt. And if you're wondering if Christmas lights will damage the paint on the car, I'll actually show you. My friend Dakota already had Christmas lights on his car, and he had to take them off. And I can actually show you. The only thing that's left is a little bit of residue from the painter's tape, but it's just painter's tape. So if you wash the car, it'll completely come off. It didn't scratch it. Nothing actually happened. Once you wash the car, it's going to be back to normal. One thing I would recommend before taping the lights onto the car is to just obviously check that they work, because it would suck to have to tape them on and then they don't work. I've gotten this corner of the car done. It's going by pretty quickly, but one thing I want to note is for the doors, what you want to do is have a slight amount of slack right here, so that way you can actually still open the door and close it. But what I'm doing here is the way I'm routing it, so I have it going through my trunk, and then I have it going through there with the pillar, and then the quarter panel, I did my wide body / a section of the rear bumper, and then I wired it to go through here, and then have a little bit of slack right here. Did the door, came around the top and came back down, and now I'm gonna just continue. I'm gonna do the front door the same way, and then just keep wrapping it around the car. The car is almost done. I'm starting to do the whole right side of the car. I finished my front bumper, the hood, and I'll show you guys the way I actually did the rear hatch. So I started the new roll of lights from the inside of the car, went through here, through my spoiler down here, did the trunk, and then had the piece end from here. I was too lazy to go through the lights, but essentially I just went through my spoiler and then did essentially the same way I did the other side. And then you can see the front bumper. And funny enough, the front bumper on this car is super easy because it's mostly grill. So I had just literally a strand go here, around, and that's it. So hopefully the front actually looks kind of mean just because of the grill. But almost done. I think I'm 2 or 3 hours into this. I just have to do my doors essentially, and it's done. The car is now completely finished in time for the moment of truth to see how the car looks. It looks a little bit goofy in the daytime, but that's totally fine. I think the red and the green kind of still gives off a Christmas effect. But let's turn the lights off and see how it looks. Let's see. That looks so good. This looks so funny. It almost looks like the Mario Kart car. This it looks like something out of space. That's so funny. Oh, that's so cool with the fog lights. I actually really like this. This is gonna look so cool. Wait. Oh no. So those lights don't work. That's sucks. That's no fun, but it's okay. Most of the car, I guess, works. We'll still rock with it. I'm not mad. This looks fire. I want to bring it outside to see how it looks. So let's hear a cold start on the car. This looks so funny to me. I think because it's a hatchback, it actually looks pretty cool, but not gonna lie, with the lights, it kind of hides the GR body lines, and it almost looks like a base model Corolla to me now, which, all right, it's whatever, it's okay, it's still a Corolla. But I think the wheels being white actually really helps, because like right here, like you can see, like it's completely dark outside, but you can see that the lights are illuminating the white wheels. So you can actually see the wheels at night now, which is pretty cool. And unfortunately, this little section isn't working, but like, who cares? That's such a small piece of the front bumper. Like from here, you wouldn't even know. This is unreal. POV, you have a red line? At the same time of doing the lights, Andrew is finally tuning his Supra.
We got the bench unlocker. We got the car. I haven't bought the tune yet. This would be like $600, but we're just gonna download like 80 horsepower.
No downpipe, and we're getting more horsepower. That's crazy.
All right, just like that, the order has been confirmed. Oh man, hope I didn't get scammed.
There's no need to do that twice.
Let's do it a third time. Need to film it for TikTok too.
Oh yeah.
Can I get a video?
Oh yeah. Here,
Oh wait, me too. Wait, I'm an influencer.
Money shift the ECU.
What did you just say?
That's right?
That's so wrong.
So wait 30 seconds, fully close the app, and then reconnect.
That's actually popping a lot more.
No way! Yo, that stopped!
Wait, that sounds like it has like a whole new exhaust on it, right?
Sounds like a BMW.
He just down.
Wait,
Medium
go,
aggression. That's medium.
go even harder. Put on all the way. All the way. Why would you want medium when you can go all the way?
Nikolai's a hard guy. He likes it hard.
Yeah, I do. Is there a problem with that?
What is this video?
Like, what is who are you?
Filming for OnlyFans.
We've said so many good things this video. It's bad.
That shit kind of smoking though, I ain't gonna go lie. That's not good. I don't think that's good.
It's on video. But no,
Is this supposed to be smoking?
that's a Toyota.
No, that's a BMW for sure. Yo, that does not look normal to me.
Fine, it's cold.
It's
It's just cold. It's cold.
Look at my breath is doing that. Like,
Do it, ready? Go.
do
Do it. Hey, how does the car sound? Your breath's not, no, do it again. Try it again, hold on.
Get away!
That's crazy.
That's louder. You need to hear from the outside.
That's the hard one.
Here, go on the outside. I'll rev it. I'm gonna rev it.
Oh God.
I won't fuck this shit.
You have to let it go down. Rev it up, and it has to go. The burbles come from lower RPMs. You can't just have it sit there.